Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you my new puzzle box that actually I had some help designing. Me and my dad designed it together, but this is the mansion. It's a pretty large puzzle, but let's get into it. Okay, so if we look around, well, we have these tools here. So if we look around, there's some holes. There's a hole here. There's a hole here. Hole here. There's a hole here. Oh wait, look. This goes in a little bit. What if we... something come out the other side? Oh look. This, if we push a little more, this comes out. We get our little green tool back? No. But we have this longer tool. So let's just close that. Let's stick on the bottom floor for now. So what if we put this in here? I feel something. I can see something back there, and I know we can poke it out. Look. We need our tool back. Oh, here we go. And this came out. I'll save us some time. This is not a tool. Now this came out here, so oh, look. It pops this little thing out. Anything back there? No. But we got this little thing. Just set that over there. Now what are the holes? This is where it came from. This tool here. Well, what about this hole? Oh, this came out. Oh, and then when I took it out, now look. Can't put it back in. Something fell down. Now I can't put it back in. Let's see. So now we're done the first layer. We've tried all the holes in the first layer. Now let's move to the second layer. What if we... oh, this popped out. Set that over there. Oh wait, look. When I put the purple piece in, this popped out as well. So you just take this out. Let's see, this right here, this lined up with this. Maybe this little circle thing fell down. But why would we want to do that? Why would we want to get these pieces out? Well, it's because of this. They were blocking that path. Can't really see what's going on. Can't really see. So, let's go around. Well, there's this little thing here. There's a hole here. You can kind of go above it, but that just comes out back here. So what if we put this in here, but slide it? Well, there, now we did something. What if we... oh, now that came. Looks like there's a little something back there. There's something we can kind of get out. Something back there. But it won't come out. One eternity later. Okay, so after a while, I was able to finally get this piece out, and it was lodged back there. Now, what does this piece do? Well, I'm not sure. What could it do? We can't really insert it anywhere. There's here. We can't do anything with that. If we look up top, this little thing here. What if we flip this back around? Thousands of tears later. Okay, so after a while of fiddling around, I fixed some stuff. And if we look here, that's fine. But if we flip it, it retracts down. There it is. And then it's gone. Well, I must be doing something inside. So currently it's in the off position, as we call it, when it's not showing that little gray thing. So if we pull it through, oh, we almost lose our tool, so maybe that's not it. What if we fold it to that on position? Then when we push, oh, I run into something. So I push. Oh, there's the party piece. That signifies that you win. Yeah, this is our puzzle box. It's kind of tricky, and sometimes it's a little finicky and doesn't do what we want it to do, but it gets the job done. But, yeah.